So today we're gonna learn CSS padding, and we will try to understand what it is. So the first bit is this. This element has a padding of 70 pixels.
Okay.
So the first question, naturally, is what the hell is padding? So we're gonna come here and change the size. It's gonna be 50.
It's kind of like a margin.
What is the difference mean? 20.
It's inside a border.
Inside?
A border. If you put a margin, it'll be from sides.
I'm so confused now. So, what does this change?
The text in the
20.
box.
Alright, let's
It's
also
putting
put
a
it.
padding
Let's also put a
around.
margin to
It's
see
going to
the
move the
difference.
whole box.
20 pixels.
Right, move the whole box.
Oh. Okay, so padding is the distance from the text to the box.
Pretty much.
You think? So if we put 1, would it go like on the
Just
text?
be super close, yeah.
Oh. So 10 will be like around it. 30. Oh, this is actually legit. So what's border? Oh, we know
The
what
border is the green part.
Yeah. Okay. So
It's just a way to kind of highlight it, in a way.
so the padding in a way should be like around 2 pixels.
Yeah,
It
depends.
depends on what you want to do, right?
No.
Okay. So let's go on our site and check whether there is something we want to
Pad.
to change the padding off. So we'll close this. We'll go to shit project. We go to beautiful shit. .htm. Okay, so
What happened to that?
what the hell?
What did you do to it?
I didn't do nothing to it, mate. Why did it? What happened, mate? We did something yesterday.
We didn't do anything yesterday.
Maybe something didn't save properly, and then when it saved, this happened. We probably changed the margin, mate, from right to left.
I don't think so, because it's still there.
But maybe we only changed it for this one. Let's go check it. Alright, so the problem is with the title. The title is H1. H1. So margin left is 500 pixels, mate. Margin left is the left bit. Margin right is 500 pixels also. 50 pixels. File save.
I don't think it's to do with that.
Why not me?
Because we always had it 500.
We always had it at 500 pixels. Why did we have it 500 pixels?
So it centers it.
So it's in the middle.
No.
Why is this? So what do you think happened here, mate?
What's this?
Alright, so I think we should pause the video and figure out what happened with our title, and then we'll come back to it.
I think we should keep going.
On the video, it's gonna be like 3 hours video, mate.
It shouldn't be so difficult.
Okay. So what do you think happened, mate?
What is this?
Text on the right.
Where's the HTML code?
Here. No, it's there. So
What is all this?
that's just the lines, mate. That's just the space under that. Ah, wait, we did something, no? Oh, you know what happens? Probably that. It's probably the BRBR ones. That's the only thing we did in the end. Let me check. Let me just delete this. We don't need lines. Save. At least the scroll's left. So we know the scroll, it was this shit.
Stopped.
No, my alarm no. Okay, so this is fixed now. The get this glitches. It is a bit fixed, no, but not 100%. So we should put this
Go to the CSS code.
CSS.
So it's this one.
Nah. Should we play with the margin left and right?
Try it.
I think it's not
do
a
anything.
500, it's 50 pixels. It is 500? It's 500.
But wait, go back.
Mate,
It should be
500.
70 pixels.
It's actually correct because 500 is 500 pixels from left to right is here, from right to left is here. It's right in
Should
the
be
middle.
70. We want it to go to there.
Hmm?
It should be 70 pixels.
Why?
Go back to the code. This one has margin right 70.
Which one? The text on the right.
If we want it
So-
to stretch, we should change it to 70.
I think this is just too much, me on the right.
Yeah,
If
we
we
should
just
put
do
it.
it 200, we'll just go to the side. Yeah. 500 was correctly here. It
Do
was.
you want it to go there though?
You want this one to closer to the left. What's the problem? What do you
Do you
want?
want this to stretch to there?
You want this to go lower? You want this to go closer?
No.
Hmm?
Do you want to move it?
Where do you want to move it?
I don't mind. Do you want to move it?
No, I think it's okay then. Alright, so you want to do some padding here on on this element
Let's do it.
because it looks very tight. Let's give it some padding. So this is the div element. So we'll go. We already gave the class name
It's this one.
of text on the right to the div element. So we can just come here and give it a padding. How many pixels? Like
25.
that's too much, mate. Like four
You
pixels.
won't notice.
We will notice, mate. Save. You want more? You want it huge, mate?
Try it, play with it.
Alright, let's play with it. Let's give it 100. 300 Spartans. Save. Alright, this is enough, right?
Maybe could do 350.
You see that our side is actually neglecting everything to the left. It's just right on the right. I don't know how we did that. And also they get these bitches also still went under. I don't know why. Anyway, so let's go back. Stop messing around. What's going on?
20 pixels.
That's
Looks
too
alright.
much, mate. That's too much. And also, why is it bold? I think just 15 will be alright. This site is meant to be beautiful, mate. Okay, this is good. You agree?
It's good.
Okay. Okay, so we understand this now. So we're gonna move on to the next one. And we go here. It says using individual padding properties. This div element has a top padding of 50 pixels, a right padding of 30 pixels, a bottom padding of 50 pixels, and the left padding of 80 pixels. We get this, right? So
Pretty
basically,
straightforward.
nah. So basically, the top padding here is 50 pixels, the right padding here is 30 pixels, the bottom padding of is 50 pixels, and the left padding is 80 pixels. So it still goes clockwise, like exactly like margins.
You can put it either way. It just
Nah.
depends what you write.
Right, so cool. So if we want it to be like very close to the top, we can just do that. So what do you want to do on our side? Do we want it close to the top, close to? You want to put it close to the bottom?
Put it close to the right
You
or
want
the
it
left.
close to the. Closer to the left will be better. And just give it a small space here. All right, let's give it closer to the left. So let's see how we're gonna do that. So we'll just copy paste this, or we'll learn later how to do them vertically, right?
How do you mean?
Okay. You know, yesterday with margins, there is a way to put these one after the other. The
Shorthand.
numbers. So it's probably gonna be next. Okay, here it is. So we can just copy paste this. Copy.
So it's top, right, bottom, left.
No, it's clockwise, like margins. Alright, so we paste it.
Delete the 15px.
Okay, paste. And we want it to be top, we want it 15. 15. Right, we want it to give space. Bottom 15.
Left 10.
Left, we want it close, very close, like 3, 5. So we're gonna give everything 15. But to the right, we're gonna give some more. Let's just give 15 and see what happens. Save. All right. I think the right side should come a bit closer.
Give it maybe 10.
You see how the text is up to here? It didn't go. So if we delete the padding, the text will go. Yeah. So we can even we can even put padding here and get neo under under here.
Put some right padding.
Yeah. Let's pause this so we can both answer our phone.